was fun.
Oopsies. How much? About?
Well, it's only half full. Yeah, this thing was literally filled to the brim. That's nuts.
Wow.
Big block life, baby.
Problem I wish I had.
Yeah, there's no way we went up to that line. It was never that full.
Dig it out. Let me put the cap on.
Yeah. Watch that perfect. And then you'll pull like a 0890 light. I got that fuel good.
Training fluid and both cars are just dead perfect. Fuel levels are perfect. Tire pressure is perfect. Never mind.
It's just perfect.
What a start.
What a weekend.
This is my lock-in. You know, these are like the, what is it? KTRE deployed.
KTRE deployed.
All right, that felt awesome. That was awesome. A to B run. This new turbo's bad to the bone. I couldn't see what it ran though. I didn't look, but it felt really good. So overall first pass success. It's pretty pimp. That was fun. This thing was on a ride. Hit of Brainard, first full A to B lick of the year, went super well. Couldn't have asked for much of a better run, to be completely honest. Killed the tree again, 038 on the light. I went 119 to the 60 foot, 318 to the 330, and a 482 at 148 off the back. So I know it was a little conservative tune-up we had in it from last year, but we're down about 7 mile an hour with the last turbo. So first hit of the year though at Brainard, we can't complain at all. It felt really good. Everything felt smooth. The old man, he made a good lick too. He shut his off at about 300 feet. He made so many changes to his car. He just wanted to get some data and make sure everything was cool with it. He's probably just going to be making a couple more 330 hits tomorrow, but sadly we only got one hit today because of rain in the morning. So we're gonna go back, pack it up. Looks like it might rain a little bit here again tonight, but we'll see you guys back tomorrow bright and early. 2,470. Not bad, huh?
one and only pass today?
Yeah, right? Better than none. Felt good. Felt really good.
What's the update, Otto?
Just keeps damn raining. Burnout, rain. Try again, burnout, rain. And here we are. Third time might be the charm, who knows, but I'm over it.
Well, second gen, we're back. It's Saturday here at Brainard. Yesterday, unfortunately, we had a lot of rain. We only got that one test hit. Went a 482 at 148. Pretty soft tune-up in it. New turbo feels awesome so far. Hopefully everything stays good. Fat stacks. We sucked an O-ring somewhere out of the blower, the inlet tube, and we were looking all morning for it. We couldn't find it. Just hoping it popped out. It's not in the motor. We should get hopefully 3 hits today. See where we end up qualifying. Obviously this class is super fast. A lot of bad to the bone cars in it, and everyone's starting to figure their stuff out more and more every single weekend that they're out. So it should be a really fun, intense, competitive weekend and day of racing.
Alrighty, here we go. First pass of the day.
Well, first hit on Saturday went really good. I went 042 to the tree, 118, 60 foot, 317 to 330 with a 479 at 151. When I lifted and pulled the chute though, this thing backfired pretty hard. So I'm not sure what that was all about. We'll have to look at the data and maybe pull the valve covers off and look everything over. Almost tickled the 117, 60 foot. The thing is moving, man. It felt awesome down track. Basically a picture perfect run. Everything felt awesome, shifted good. I mean, can't ask for much better than that. I think Pat Stacks ended up going like a 57 or something. I thought I saw from the top end. Go back, cool this thing down, pull the data, look it over, and we should have another hit here in a couple hours here.
Now ready for second pass of the day. Yesterday we only had one lick, so today will be our third lick of the weekend. Both cars ran pretty good last run. The orange car went a 79, pretty good 60 foot. We're gonna get after it again with a bigger turbo. You know, we're always looking to go faster. The white car, I don't know what we're qualified at right now, but it's probably middle of the range. A lot of the guys this weekend are actually picking up their game. They're going a lot faster, so hopefully we can kind of keep up with the group, but I feel that we have enough to do it. So second pass coming up here for both cars, and we'll see what they do. Went faster out the back door though.
Yeah, it's all really good.
Yeah.
It keeps backfiring though when I
The
kill
top
it.
end.
That one was worse.
I think that's probably the last pass we're gonna get today. But who knows? Because now you're qualified with a 77, right? Because that was your fastest pass.
I'm probably almost dead last too. Well,
No, you got a couple other guys.
77. I haven't even looked at the board.
Yeah, your dad won a 44.
Did he?
Yep.
We just got done with our second and probably final hit of the day on Saturday, but we lost 4 numbers of the 60 foot, which I think kind of played a role in it. I don't know if the track just went away a little bit and just spun just a tiny tad bit, but a 477 at 153, 121 60 foot, 317 to 330. So we actually slowed down big time to the 60 and 330, but we just had more power in it and still rode 2 numbers faster out the back. So I'm not sure who I'm going to have first round. I'll have to go up and look at the ladder. Nobody in this class is ducks. Everyone's fast. Everyone's car's been working pretty dang good. Probably some of the best competition that we've ever had in Brainard as a whole, like ever. Super tight, racing fast, and should be a lot of fun tomorrow.
Ready for your third leg?
Yeah, unexpected third hit. I think we made our last hit probably half an hour ago.
Yeah.
That's unheard of here at Brainard just because of all the cars and classes and stuff. But thanks to Brainard and all the workers to get us up here to get our last hit for the day and see what we can do. I know we spiced it up a little bit more, so we're shooting for like a 74. That'd be sweet. Now we get that 60 foot back, we got faster out the back door.
Right. Soon enough, it'll be 450s. All right. Yep. Got it there.
Yeah, so I spent 40 minutes looking for it, and then I was TIG welding within 3 weeks.
Did you ever find it? The tip?
Yeah, the guys found it, but then
It was too late.
Yeah, they couldn't sew it back on, and then so they just threw it in the garbage. So
You didn't get to keep it?
I could have. Apparently, there's a place in Alaska that you can take a shot with a toe. I don't think health and safety in Winnipeg would allow that shit. So now, the sad part is on the way to the hospital, I was thinking, Kate, when I drive my turbo car now, I'm gonna put the bump button on the backside now, because this thing ain't gonna reach nowhere. No. Yeah, flip her around and give us a smack. Yeah.
That's brutal.
I thought you knew. Yeah.
No, I had no idea.
Yeah. She left the chat, so.
She left this chat.
Yeah, so.
At least you're ready, hopefully, huh?
Oh, I am. Oh, yeah. So, this is the wire. This is everything. So.
Hey, stay safe. Good luck.
Thanks, buddy. Nice hit, Troy. That was freaking awesome. Yeah. Right? That's awesome, man. Congrats. Thank you.
All right, here we go. Last pass of the day.
actually got one more hit today. I mean, they basically hot lapped us and it was awesome. Turned it up a little bit more, but it didn't do exactly what we thought it was gonna do. I went 018 on the tree, 119 60 foot, 316 to 330, and 476 at 153. I mean, we made 3 great licks today. Can't really complain about it. It was super fun. White car, Fat Stacks just went a 439. Super awesome run. So that was only his 4th run, and it's gotten faster and faster with every single run. So that's a huge positive. Overall, that's going to conclude for qualifying days at Brainard here. We got eliminations tomorrow, but you're going to see that in another video. So we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.